Yeah.
So what is up people, this is Dev Singh and welcome back to Indian Asphalt. So today's vlog will be a short and quick one, and we are going to test that if while you are riding the R15 version 3 ABS and just in case the engine goes off while you are riding and suddenly you have to do a panic braking, so will the ABS still work or not? That rear end looks even more sexy without that mud cover. I just removed it yesterday. Yep, so I think we are ready. So in the first run we are going to hit the kill switch and we'll do another test which I'll shut down the ignition from the key. So I'll try to maintain a good 60 kilometers per hour of speed. Okay, it's time. Kill switch done. And I'm surprised the ABS was working. Now that's a good sign. So even if the engine dies while you are traveling at high speed and you haven't shut down the ignition key, the ABS will still work. So now it's time for the second run. Now in this we are going to turn off the ignition key and let's see whether the ABS works this time or not. Fuck man, the wind is so strong. I'm worried about my phone because उड़ ना जाए यार, वो इतनी तेज हवा चल रही है. So good, 60 kilometers per hour. Kill switch off. Shit. So this time ABS didn't work. You can see the marks on tire and the marks on the road. Now this time I actually turned off the key and the ABS didn't work. So yes, so it's a good sign that ABS still works if you if suddenly in case your engine dies while you're riding. So yep, that was a simple and successful test for today's video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like and smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Till then, ride safe. This is Dev Singh from Indian Asphalt and I'm signing out.